Very much. Minister, this is a very important matter for Galway. I know you're aware of it, and I'm raising the accident and emergency and the recent report by the Safety Authority, the Health and Safety Authority, and the report, and also the background. Where is the new accident and emergency department?
Thank you, Deputy Minister.
Thanks, Deputy. If we can conclude, I'll make sure you get a detailed note if we run out of time. So I've been advised by the.
So if you want me to save time, I have the response.
Privileges of the chair.
I've been advised by the HSE that the HSA conducted the unannounced inspection in UHG on the 21st of October of last year. Now, I understand the issues raised during the inspection were immediately addressed by the hospitals, and any obstructions, for example, blocking the fire exits, were actioned to ensure continuous on-site safety. Following subsequent engagement between the hospital and the HSA, the hospital has implemented corrective measures, including in relation to ventilation, fire escape routes and safety signage. The hospital provided a comprehensive written response to the HSE in December of last year to address the issues raised. I'm informed that there was a follow-up inspection on the 7th of April and that a formal report from the HSA has yet to be received. There are a number of ongoing and planned capital projects for UHG, of course, the Deputy and I have discussed before. Now, the development of the new emergency department will address the current challenges in terms of capacity, infrastructure, patient experience times. The project is in the early stages, and a strategic assessment report is being developed by the HSE, and it is expected to be received by my department in the coming months. I can say to the Deputy as well, I was in UHG recently and discussed with the senior management, the senior clinicians, just how important this new block, 4-storey block, the Deputy is very familiar with it. Because it is going to cost well in excess of €100 million, it does have to go through what is a very laborious public sector spending code. However, following my meeting in UHG, I've raised this particular capital project directly with the Chief Executive of the HSE, and has asked that it is prioritised by the HSE, and that while we do have to adhere to the legal requirements of the public spending code, that there are no more delays, because I was told in the hospital that they've been talking about this particular build for about 8 or 9 years now.
Thank you. A very brief response, Deputy Conlon.
Just, I'm a stickler for time. So, Minister, I couldn't accept, 2015, it was unfit for purpose, and here we are in 2023. I'll follow it up elsewhere again. Gar míle maith.